Welcome Gyan Niketan. In this video class, I am Ajit Prasad Sharma. I am going to teach you linear equations in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c is called linear equation in two variables x and y, where a, b, c are real numbers. Both are different forms. Either equation is written in this form or this form. A, b, c are constants. It is called linear equation in two variables. A system of linear equation, a pair of linear equations given at a time is called system of linear equations in two variables x and y. General form or standard form of this can be written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Or this can also be written in this form, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Clear? So pair of linear equations are given. Then the solution of this type of system of equations. Solution means a pair of values of x and y which will satisfy both the equations are called its solution. So how can you find the solution of these equations? Two equations are given together. Consider this is 1, this is 2. So there are different methods through which we can find the system of linear equations. So method of solving are, first method is graphical method. Second method, algebraic methods are substitution method. Third, elimination method. Fourth, cross multiplication method, by cross multiplication. These are the four methods. These are algebraic method through which we can find the solution of the given equations and the value of x and y. So before solving the equations through graph, I would like to express that these are consistent or inconsistent. So by observing the equations, how can you say that this system of equations are consistent, this system of equations are inconsistent? Consistent. Second, inconsistent. The system of equations are said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. At least one. It means it has many solutions also. So in these cases, the system of equations are said to be consistent. Inconsistent, a system of equations are inconsistent if it has no solution at all. So these two types of system of equations are there. Now I would like to solve one question with graphical method. How can you solve? How can you find the value of x and y using the graph? Let us see. If you can draw the graph of these equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. In first cases, two type of graphs are there. In one graph, both the lines intersect each other at a point. This point, or both the lines are coincident. L1 and L2 both overlap each other. So in this case, the system of equation has unique solution, one solution, and in this case, the system of equations has many solutions, infinitely many solutions, because graph lines have overlapped each other. They intersect each other at so many points. In both the cases, the systems are said to be consistent, right? For inconsistent, the graph lines will be parallel. Graph lines will be parallel. If this is the graph of line 1, this is the graph of line 2. Line 1 means a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Line 2 means a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If graph lines are parallel to each other, it means they have no solution, and in this case system are said to be inconsistent. Clear? So without drawing the graph, how can you say that graph lines are intersecting lines, graph lines are coincident line, graph lines are parallel lines? So for this, you have to observe the condition a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. Find the ratio of a1 a2, b1 b2, and c1 c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it means the graph lines are intersecting lines and it has at least one solution called unique solution. In this case, unique solution, graph line will be parallel. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, all the three ratios are equal. It means graph lines are coincident line. It is called dependent also, and in this case, system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And third, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then the graph lines are parallel lines, and in this case, system of equation has no solutions. If you draw the graph of any pair of lines, then without drawing the graph, finding the conditions, we can observe that the system of equation has one solution, system of equation has infinitely many solutions, system of equation have no solution. Graph lines are parallel. So in this video, you are supposed to know that how can we observe the equations and say the system of equation has which type of solution without drawing the graph. In my next video, we can explain that how can you draw the graph if equations are given. Thank you guys. Thank you.